Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on Chromebook. Chromebooks typically aren't built for demanding games like Call of Duty due to their hardware. The best way to enjoy these titles is through cloud gaming services. These platforms stream the game directly to your device, bypassing local processing power. You'll need a robust internet connection to ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay and a great experience. When it comes to cloud gaming, you have excellent options like NVIDIA GeForce Now and Xbox Cloud Gaming. Each service offers a different library and subscription model. It's crucial to check if your preferred Call of Duty game is supported on the platform you choose. Some services require you to own the game, while others include it with a subscription. Do a quick check before committing. For a smooth experience, a fast and stable internet connection is paramount. Aim for at least 50 megabits per second. While you can use a keyboard and mouse, a dedicated game controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, will significantly enhance your gameplay. Also, always ensure your Chromebook's operating system is updated to its latest version to avoid any compatibility issues and ensure optimal performance. To get the best performance, close any extra browser tabs and applications running in the background. This frees up valuable resources for your game. If possible, use an Ethernet cable to connect your Chromebook directly to your router. This provides a more stable and faster connection than Wi-Fi, significantly reducing latency. Finally, consider lowering in-game graphics settings for a smoother streaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.